I absolutely love this hair so much.
Worry about yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I have a Kryssma wig from Amazon. This wig is red, bright, and beautiful. It says to be 24 inches, but I feel like it's more so a 26. Right now, I'm just showing me unboxing the wig. This is the first day that I got it. Towards the end, I'll start to talk, but this beginning part is going to be a voiceover. So, as you can see, it's ear-to-ear lace, and it comes with 3 combs on the inside and an adjustable strap in the back. So what I did is I went ahead and put the cap on, and then I'm going to cut off the lace. I wanted to make sure that I put the cap on so I can show you me cutting it a little bit better, because usually I would just cut it in my hand, but for the sake of this video I wanted to show it. Now I'm just picking out some hairs to make some baby hairs. I'm not really big on baby hairs for synthetic wigs because I never feel like I do them good and they always just look fake. So I'm doing the bare minimum with this. Now I'm parting the hair so that I can start to style it the way I want it, which I'm going to always wear in the middle part, so I'm just going ahead and do that. But I was having troubles parting it because this comb, so I cut it out and now you'll be able to see. I'm parting it much easier. Now I'm going in to tweeze the part just a little bit. It's always better to under tweeze than over tweeze to me, because I always feel like when I tweeze wigs, they always naturally, the parting just gets wider, whether it's virgin hair or synthetic. So I always try to do a little bit. And look how this lace is just laying and there's no glue or nothing. I will not be gluing this wig down. It's so funny when people ask me, do you still use your wig grip? Like, girl, yes I do. I love this thing. I don't plan to wear the hair like this or anything, so I didn't need to do baby hair over here. So for the parting, I just tweezed it a little bit and added a little bit of powder. The lace on this wig is ear to ear. The parting is pretty nice. I would say this is about 2.5 inches of parting space, but the parting isn't the same all the way around. On the outside, it's like 1/2 inch to 1 inch of parting space. So this wig is made to be worn in the middle or on the side. I've been wearing mine in the middle because that's where I like it. I'm not a big fan of baby hair on lace wigs because I just like my own baby hair. Like, I don't ever think that this baby hair is gonna look as good as mine, so I don't try to go crazy with it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I lay that down. Okay, so then I would tie it down with a scarf. I really want to show the hair when it's nice and brushed through and maintained versus when it's looking like this and looks like you had a rough night or the Uber just had to have the window down, because this is what's going to happen to your hair. If you don't put it on a mannequin head and brush through it after you take it off, then it's going to look like this, but it's not the end of the world. Just brush the hair. One thing I do not like about this wig, this part right here, I don't know if you can like tell, this side like puffs up a little bit. So what I like to do, I usually take this Care wax stick and I push it up. This is just what I have handy and I know it works. I push it down. I usually get a comb, but I don't have a comb with me, so I'm gonna just use this. I brush it in. Better. Don't judge these baby hairs. It's because I'm doing it on camera that it looks like, you know, a little bit off. But yeah, this is pretty much the hair. I absolutely love this hair so much. Well, I know it's a lot. People look at me crazy when I wear it outside the house, so I understand. It's a statement, you know. This isn't everyday hair. This is, I'm going somewhere. Like, this would be good going out hair, date night or girls night. This isn't like going to the fundraiser at the church hair, obviously. But you know, I mean, if you want to, you can do what you want. But y'all don't understand how much I love this hair. I love how it feels. I love how I look wearing it. It's $40. I mean, this is like the best thing I bought all year. And then of course I have my wig grip on. If you haven't seen my wig grip video, you don't know what the heck a wig grip is, I'm gonna link the video so you can watch it. My hair is secure, it's not going anywhere. I've had this wig for a week and 2 days now, and I've worn it every day since the day I received it. I'm not gonna lie though, at nighttime when it's time to go to sleep, I'm taking it off, I'm dropping it. I don't care where I'm at, whether that's the sink, the couch, the futon, the floor, I'm dropping it. When I get up in the morning, I brush through it, put it on, and I go. The ends are still really, I dropped it. The ends are still really nice on this wig. I haven't put any heat on this hair as of yet. I haven't really needed to because it looks exactly how it did when it came out the bag. But if I do, I'll definitely come back and show you guys what I do to it. Let's recap on this wig really quick. This is a $40 red Amazon wig from the seller, Kryssma. Amazon Prime will get you the wig in 2 days. This wig says to be 24 inches, but I believe it's a 26 on me. I'm 5'1", 5'2". Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything I didn't address about the wig. I'll definitely reply back to you. Leave me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel to see more hair reviews from me. Thank you guys so much for watching me and my fabulous red wig, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.
My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run the amount, so run the amount. Baby, I say run the amount. Let me know how you really feel, so run the amount. You know I gotta